Hi, everybody. I'm Mike Benson, a lead volunteer for AARP Louisiana. And thanks for joining us for this special virtual event. AARP has been working to promote the health and well being of older Americans for more than 60 years through information, advocacy, and resources. Part of that includes helping to improve the places where we live so we can thrive regardless of our age, ability, or background. We all want to live in places where there's transportation options, housing's affordable, and works for our needs as we age. There's access to public spaces and the outdoors, and there's ways to stay connected with loved ones and neighbors. Ultimately, our vision is for a future in which communities, urban, suburban, and rural, are all great places to live for everybody. AARP is doing this work nationwide, including here in Louisiana. Today, I'm pleased to share some exciting news as 5 Louisiana organizations are receiving grants through the AARP Community Challenge, our Livable Communities Grant Program. There's part of a total of 4.2 million invested, being awarded among 383 grantees across the country. Today, we're joined by Plaquemines Parish Government, one of the Louisiana grantees, to share more about their project. I'd like to introduce our special guests, Ashley N. Morrison, the Director of Arts, Parks, and Recreation, and Brad Breel, the Director of Projects. Welcome, and thanks so much for being here today.
Thank you very much. Nice to meet you. And we're excited about this opportunity. AARP is a strong contender in the world for 50 plus, and we welcome the opportunity to work on this grant.
Well, let's get right into it and learn more about your project. Can one of you tell me more about the AARP Community Challenge Grant Project, how it impacts your government?
Sure. So the AARP grant, challenge grant, community challenge grant was awarded to Plaquemines Parish for updates to our park in Belle Chase, Louisiana. The park's name is the Park on Avenue A, and it was initially a residential property that the Naval Air Station Joint Reserve Base purchased and ultimately donated to the parish. So the park aims to create a safe, passive community gathering and recreation space for residents of all ages. So that fits in perfectly with AARP's initiatives. And the park includes amenities to address equity in our recreational spaces and includes a walking path and a pickleball court.
I like the pickleball. I played this morning.
Good, awesome.
What are your plans for this fall and then beyond, and how people can get involved?
Sure. So our plan is for the fall, we're going to include an open pickleball schedule with morning and afternoon hours. And then we're going to do some mini senior pickleball tournaments to really get people to be a little bit competitive against each other. We'll also do pickleball lessons and have a senior walking club, and people can get involved in any and all aspects of it, and we welcome that.
Yes. You
Well, you
can
can
talk
sign
with
me
your
up right now. I'd certainly like to learn more about that, and I'm assuming that we can put some information in the crawl here for a sign up, or people can go to a website to learn more about that. Do you have that website handy?
Yes, so you can go to Plaquemines Parish Government's website to get more information. If you click the Arts, Parks, and Recreation tab, it'll take you straight to our calendar and provide you with more information.
As we look to the future, how would you hope that this project will help strengthen our community?
So I think the for us, the addition of a pickleball court and a walking path to the park represents more than a recreational enhancement. It is an investment in the long-term health, cohesion, and the vitality of the community of Plaquemines Parish. So we are hoping that this park and these new amenities strengthen our vision to create a hub of recreation, health, and community connection.
We appreciate everybody tuning in today, and we hope that you'll hit the share button on this video if you watched it. Share it with your friends and get the word out, because it's certainly a worthwhile venture that you're getting involved with here. And is there anything else that you'd like to share with people before we wrap up this interview?
Sure. We would like to thank everyone for watching today and learning about the exciting things taking place in Plaquemines Parish, and to thank AARP for the work that you all are doing here in Louisiana, and specifically the work that you are helping us to do here to improve the quality of life for our residents in Plaquemines Parish.
Yes, we feel it's important to thank the community, thank AARP, and we welcome everyone to come check out the new park and be competitive in the pickleball market.
Is the pickleball going to be outdoors or indoor facilities?
It's outdoor. It'll be an outdoor court.
Well, I think we better wait for the fall to get out there.
Well, that's very true.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much for your time. Thanks for being here. To learn more about these AARP Community Challenge projects and the others across the country, you can visit AARP's Livable Communities Grant website. It's aarp.org/community challenge. Have a great rest of your day.
Thank you.